hoist engaged. Coming up. Steady on the left. Watch your feet.
The flow rate looks steady now.
The finish is perfect on this batch.
Temperature holding steady at 1200 degrees.
Good, maintain the current speed.
How's the straight edge look? Perfect. This one is flat.
Look at this reading right here. It's off by 2 millimeters.
Yeah, I see it. The coating is uneven on this section.
We have a fail on line 3. Check the sensor data.
Rerouting the feed now. It looks like an anomaly, but we'll monitor it closely.
Bring it down slow. Watch the alignment.
Copy. Inching down now.
Looks good. Set it down.
The alignment is perfect. We are good to go.
Check the alignment on the main turret. The laser welding looks clean.
Confirmed. The vibrational dampening readings are within tolerance.
Easy now, keep it steady.
Clear on this side, another foot down.
Set her down. All right, pull the jacks back slowly.
Okay, this component is scanned. Confirmed. Moving to the accessories box.
Bring it down 20 centimeters, easy now.
Secure the straps on the south side.
Ropes are taut, ready for transport.
We're showing a slight anomaly on sensor array 4. Yep.
Verified. It's within the acceptable threshold. Checklist complete.
Check the sealant on the road wheels.
Looks good.
Okay, the turret traversed smoothly. We are clear here. Slow down on the descent.
Hold it right there, just a fraction left.
Clear on this side. Okay, easy on the hydraulic. We're clear on this side. Keep it steady, set her down.
The turret assembly is lagging by 10%. I see it. The new robotic arm calibration should fix that by next shift.
Production speed is stable at 95% capacity. Quality metrics are holding steady.
Spreadometers. If we reroute the hydraulics here, we gain modularity.
That impacts the center of gravity on the main chassis, though.